and we're going to maybe get some feedback from one of the sales associates in the store. So I'll go ahead and end the call here. All right, so we're going to join back into that call, John, but we're going to do it now from a mobile device in the store. So as we begin to see some of these, you talked about consumer devices, for example, moving into business. I've got an iPad here, and let me just.
I love the Apple devices, but this is the first one I'm going to use big time at Cisco.
Yeah, it's really cool.
I really like how we use it. I like the capability. I told Steve Jobs that today on the phone.
It's got the WebEx capability on it. So if I want to go ahead and join the meeting that we were just in, I can just click on the WebEx icon here, and then I'm going to click on join by meeting number, and join. And as you can see, we're now in that meeting. So we're getting the document that was being shared. And we can see who's speaking at the bottom of the screen here. We can see WebEx is very cool on the iPad. You can see the participants in the meeting. And of course, as these devices get video in the future, which I'm sure they will, we'll be able to participate in the video portions of those calls as well. Now, one last thing that I wanted to show you, and this is a technology that comes from our Customer Connection suite of technologies that allows us to interface with public social networking. So, for example, you notice on the bottom of the screen here, I'm getting a little message here. It says customer in store interest video conferencing.
So you can either do that by customer based upon what they're tweeting about, or a customer based on their buying behavior that you identify as they come into the store.
That's right. That's right.
Ways.
This is part of our Contact Center suite of products.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and click on that. And now what we're seeing is the Customer Collaboration Assistant, which is showing tweets that are coming into our stores. Now, how do we know that? If a customer tweets with a mobile device, it sends a geocode along with that tweet. So we can take a feed from Twitter and plot those tweets that are coming in. Then if I click on this one that's in our store here, it actually brings up a profile of the customer.
Yes.
Now, this profile is coming not only from his Twitter user interface, but it's also coming from his LinkedIn page and his Facebook page. We can get public feeds of these, integrate them into the application that we give the associates in the store. And I can see he's tweeting about, he says Skype is flaky, shopping for better video conferencing. And if I click on this button over here on information, I have customer loyalty information, and it says that he's purchased a flat screen TV in the last, in 2000.
So we can take him to the next generation of video conferencing. We can immediately get
That's
to
right.
the store and send him.
That's right. So as a manager, I might want to send him a coupon for the next generation or Cisco telepresence, home telepresence. I click on that, and that sends him the coupon, and the coupon can end up on his mobile device so that he can use that coupon before he exits the store.
And we could even have a help screen right there where he could talk to an expert on this topic, somebody that really understood Skype, telepresence, the others. How would it interface to his TV that he just purchased, etc.
Exactly.
Jim, I got it. Now, how many groups, business units, councils, boards, do you have any idea how many groups
to make these all work together?
Yeah.
Well, there's about 14 products in this demonstration.
Yes.
And I counted that there were actually 12 different business groups or product groups that were involved.
Yes.
There were 4 different boards involved and 6 different councils involved, and then a number of different work groups within those councils. And we're able to do that inside Cisco because we are operating in this new dynamic network virtual organization environment.
Jim, I got it. Well done.
Thank you, John.